Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your graphic design with Adobe Creative Cloud easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin upgrading your graphic design skills, open Adobe Creative Cloud on your computer. Once the application is open, you'll see various Adobe programs available to you. For graphic design, popular options include Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign. Start by selecting Adobe Photoshop. Photoshop is excellent for photo editing and creating raster graphics. If you're focusing on logos and vector artwork, then turn to Illustrator. InDesign is ideal for layout design, especially for publications or marketing materials. Select the program that best fits your current project. After opening the program, familiarize yourself with the interface. Take a moment to explore the toolbar, which contains various tools and functions. Next, open a new document by navigating to File and then New. You can customize the document size and resolution based on your project needs. Once your document is ready, begin by experimenting with the basic tools available. Use the brush tool in Photoshop to create custom illustrations. In Illustrator, apply the pen tool to craft intricate vector shapes. Explore layers in Photoshop to add depth to your designs. In InDesign, use the text tool to incorporate typography effectively. To enhance your design, utilize Adobe's free transform feature. This allows you to resize, rotate, and skew objects easily. Take advantage of the color picker tool to choose color schemes that complement your design. You can access Adobe Stock directly within the Creative Cloud apps. To further elevate your design, explore the use of gradients and patterns. Photoshop offers a gradient tool that can add dimension to your artwork. In Illustrator, try out different brushes for unique textures. You can also experiment with pre-made assets from Adobe's libraries. Once you're satisfied with your design, remember to save your work. Go to File, then Save As, to choose your desired file format. For print projects, saving as a PDF is recommended. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.